Let's get into the first step of personal tax preparation. You may be shocked how many taxpayers make an error on the very first step, selecting a filing status. If you are unmarried at the end of the tax year, your filing status is considered single. This one's pretty simple. Some confusion comes into play when taxpayers are separated or going through a divorce. Until the divorce has been finalized, you are not eligible for the single status. Occasionally, you'll have a spouse who is unable to contact the other party or the other party is non responsive. In that instance, you're required to file married filing separate. The downside to this is some important tax savings credits may be disallowed. Now on to another common filing status, married filing jointly. Even if you're married on the last day of the year, you must file married filing jointly or married filing separately. Those are your only two options. Even if you get married on December 31st, you're still considered married for the full tax year. Generally, married filing jointly is more tax advantageous. However, filing separately disallows you for certain tax benefits. Sometimes it's a better option. Now let's cover qualified widow. Generally, if your spouse passes away during the year, it's best to file married filing jointly. But if you choose this status, you must also have a qualified dependent who you provide more than half the support for. You can claim this status for up to 2 years after the death of your spouse. However, if you get married, you're required to file with your new spouse. Now for the most misunderstood filing status, head of household. First, you must be unmarried to qualify for this status. There's always some confusion if there's a stay at home spouse. But just because a taxpayer is a breadwinner doesn't qualify them for head of household. Also, you must have a qualified dependent. That is a child that's related to you, meets certain age and disability requirements. Also, just because a relative's parents are not able to claim that child as a dependent doesn't automatically make you eligible to claim them. Here's something that a lot of people don't understand about this filing status is the dependent has to live with you for more than half of the year, and you have to provide more than half the support for that child. This is heavy on the IRS radar for 2022. They are flagging returns right and left, and there will be significant delays in any refunds. So make sure you understand this before you claim it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and comment any questions below. Subscribe to make sure you get the largest refund as quick as possible.